Hello, my dear friends. Good evening. Today is the last day of 2024, December 31st, and I'm going to show you the best place to watch the fireworks here in Abu Dhabi on December 31st as the new year kicks in. A grand fireworks display will light up the skies in Abu Dhabi with the Sheikh Zayed festival in Al Batba. There are set 53 minutes of non-stop fireworks because this year they have the 53rd National Day, so that's why they are going to light up 53 minutes non-stop fireworks here in Abu Dhabi. The New Year evening at the festival will feature extraordinary fireworks and drone show. It's around 1 hour, and here in Abu Dhabi there will be a fireworks on the Cornish beach, and today we are going to visit the Cornish beach where you can watch extraordinary fireworks that will be light up on New Year evening. So it's mean today evening around 11:59 they will start, and continuously they will light up the sky with the extraordinary fireworks. So let's go, guys. So here we are now on the Cornish beach. It is very amazing and beautiful beach here in Abu Dhabi. This Cornish street is the main street that is heading to the Marina Mall, Emirates Palace, and Presidential Palace as well. So here, guys, they already start the preparation for New Year fireworks, and there are a lot of fun activities here also. If you are coming with your family and kids, there's playground for the kids here, and you can see the kids are enjoying the bikey here. You can rent a bikey here, and the kids will be happy to ride the bikey. Also, you can enjoy the ride on the bikey. That is for adults and kids, both available here. So guys, let's continue to the Cornish beach. There tomorrow they are going to set up a huge fireworks here in Abu Dhabi. And this place is very beautiful place. Even there is no New Year or any other activities here, this place is very amazing. If you want to visit, if you want to walk here, there is a sea in front of you. You can enjoy the sea view. Also the other side you can see there is the sky high lighting buildings, and here there is a logo for 2025. So this place they already set up for New Year. So if you are coming from Musafa and the east side of Abu Dhabi, you can park your car in Khaldia area. From there you can walk to the Cornish, and if you really want to enjoy the view of the firework, you have to come early. So if you will come early, you will find a nice place, because this place is going to be very crowded tomorrow, and you cannot imagine this crowd that is going to gather tomorrow. It will be huge. So guys, come early and take a place and enjoy the weather, beautiful and stunning weather of Abu Dhabi. And if you are living here with the family, don't forget to bring your family. So guys, this place today we visited